Hi everyone, it's Andrea here. I'm going to show you step by step for the peplum part for the Granny Peplum pattern. I already insert another color for the skirt, chain 1. So I'm going to make 1 single crochet to where the chain 1 come up. Mark this as the beginning of the round. Chain 4. Skip 1 stitch, go to the next stitch. Pull up a yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over to the next stitch, pull up 2 loops, so I have 3 loops, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, go to the next stitch, go through 2 loops, yarn over, insert, go to 2 loops, then you could have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, go through all, and this is 1 cluster, and chain 4, skip 1 stitch, go to the next stitch, put 1 single crochet. So this is 1 cluster, so you will have 4 chains, 1 cluster, which is they have like 1 space in the middle, and then another 4 chains and a single crochet. Continue to make 4 chains, skip 1 stitch, go to the next one, go to the next one, 3 loops on the hook, skip 1 stitch, go to the next one, go to the next one, yarn over and pull through 5 loops, continue to make 4 chains, skip 1 stitch, go to the next one, put 1 single crochet. We will continue to do it all around until at the end of the round over here. So one more time, chain 4, skip 1, go to the next one, and the next one, skip 1, yarn over, pull up a loop, go to 1, 2, to the next one, and yarn over, pull to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, skip 1, go to the next stage, put 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, skip 1 stitch to the next stitch, insert, pull up a loop, go to 2, yarn over to the next stitch, pull up a loop, go to 2, yarn over, skip 1 to the next, yarn over, pull up, go to 2, and the next one as well. Have 5 stitch, go to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 change, skip 1 stitch to the next one, make 1 single crochet. So we will do all around, and I'll see you again when at the end of this round. So at the end of the round, this I will make 4 change, continue the pattern. Then a chain 4, and then slip stitch to the first single crochet over here. Yeah, so this is round, increase rounds 1 done.